Good morning. Okay, today's January 30th, 2024. What do we have today? So yesterday we had we broke out of that 3-day balance. We were trading at. We had all this range, and we had said that our target was 49.45 to repair that imbalance. Then we spent the whole day trading in a very tight range. Couldn't make any lows. We left a poor low on the session. Then broke above it. Left a little bit of some single prints. And then once we broke above this previous highs, we left this single print, and we hit right 49.45 to the tick, consolidated for a little bit, and then kept moving higher. And then it looks like all this area was there was some profit taken all throughout the overnight session. We were trading in this range, and then this morning we started breaking below it again, below the 49.45. So, and you can see this this very low volume area here, and you can clearly see like one profile here and then some volume here. So this could be that this is they're absorbing here some of the selling and buying stuff up to bring it higher again. But we'll see. We have to watch this level of 49.45. It looks like some absorption here because of all this volume. If it was a consolidation, you would see low volume and then I'm gonna push lower. So to me this looks like they're absorbing the sellers and probably attempt to move higher again to this higher volume area. The single prints I marked here in green, so we gotta watch if we get below here and during the regular trading hours, we start trading inside we start trading inside the single prints. We gotta watch this level here at between 35 and 36. We have this high here from I think it was Friday, and Friday on the overnight session we had a little bit of a spike above that, which is, what is it, 34.25. So it's right here. Yeah, so this level we gotta watch 34, 35. If we fill the single prints and then bounce higher, or if we want, or this means that this higher range is rejecting, and then we come back to the 49.16 point of control, which is now the 5-day, the 20-day point of control. And usually the rule says that when we break above a range, if we come back inside that range, yes, we do come back to the point of control, but because we broke above it and we rejected a higher levels, then there's a high chance of us coming back to the lower side of that range, which is in the 4900s. And if we come back in this area, then we have to watch again. Do we keep moving lower into the previous range and tag this 48.84, or do we come back to the 49.16 and be back trading at the same range that we've been trading for the last 4 days now? Now, if we go back above 49.45 again, I will look for this level 49.52, which is the highest volume in this area, and then another attempt to break yesterday's high and the overnight high and get into the 60s. I still think the market's looking for 5,000, and we're very close to it now. And we have enough triggers this week that it could happen before the end of this week. So I'm keeping my my mind open as to whether this is just a little bit of a pullback or pullback all the way to this 49.16. So at this point, I'm just gonna watch the open and see what happens with this level. NQ, it's a similar story. We have the single print. Watch this. It pulled back a little deeper than ES, and we got really close to tagging this previous high. So if we close this little gap, this little single prints, this to me it looks like an area where you can lean into a long trades, looking for long trades. The 30 to 40, 630 to 640 for a move back to the highs. Otherwise, the 90-day point of control for NQ is at the 5-day point of control is at 540. All right, let's wait for the open and see what happens. Good luck.